Hello, this tutorial will provide an overview of how to save a file using OpenOffice in the Microsoft Word format. We will be saving our file with a DOC extension which is compatible with Microsoft Word. Now, this tutorial is being created using OpenOffice, which automatically provides an ODT extension to its document files. However, with a few simple steps, these files can easily be converted to a DOC extension, which is compatible with Microsoft Word. Now, one other thing to keep in mind is some people will be creating documents using a program called Microsoft Works. Now, even though Microsoft Works is created by Microsoft, and even though it looks very similar to Microsoft Word, it actually creates a different kind of file called a WPS file. This file is not compatible with Microsoft Word and will also need to be converted. Now, the good news is you follow the same simple steps to convert a file using Microsoft Works as you would with OpenOffice. So really, if you follow this tutorial, there shouldn't be any problem. Now, I've created this document using OpenOffice, and so now I'm ready to save it. Well, I will go to File, and then I will choose Save As. When this happens, a dialog box opens, and I'm able to give my file a name. So I'm going to name it Name. Now, down at the bottom of the dialog box, there'll be a File Type menu. The default is to save this document as an ODF text document or a .odt file. Now, if I click Save here, I'm just going to save this to my desktop so you can see where it shows up. It will pop up on my desktop, and this is in an OpenOffice format. However, this is not what your instructors asked for. Your instructor has asked for your document to be submitted in Microsoft Word format. Well, this really isn't a problem. We'll just repeat this process by going to File, Save As, give your document a name, and then in the File Type menu, we want to change this from ODT to DOC. And you can see there's a variety of different kind of file formats here, and really all we want is DOC. Now, you'll see there's a few different Microsoft Word options here, and the truth is any of these are probably okay. However, you should probably try to choose the newest one, and in the case of the program I have running here, Microsoft Word 97 2000 XP is the newest one, so I'm going to choose that. So when I do this and click Save, it's going to say, uh-oh, do you really want to do this? And I'm going to say, yeah, go ahead and keep this in the format. I'm ready to change it. And it will pop up on my desktop, and you'll see name.doc here. Now, if I wanted to do this in Microsoft Works, the process would be the exact same way. I would go to File and Save As, and then the dialog box would open up here, and I would give it a name and change the file type. Now, this won't look identical to the way it looks on my computer because, number one, this is OpenOffice and not Microsoft Works. However, it will be basically the same. You'll somewhere near the top or bottom have a place to type the name, and somewhere you'll have a place to change the file type. You'll simply select the file type you want, DOC, and choose Save, and then you'll be ready to go. Now, one other consideration is I am using an Apple Macintosh operating system here, so even though things may look slightly different than they do on your computer, if you're running, say, Windows XP, then you can just understand that those differences might exist. However, the basic process is the same. Choosing File, Save As, giving your document a name, and then changing the file type extension to the type of format that your instructor has requested. So, there you have it. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, you can send them to me. I'd be happy to answer your questions. I hope this has been helpful to you, and good luck submitting those documents.